These mini rescue ASMR videos are going insanely viral on TikTok right now. This TikTok page gained 168K followers just by posting this type of content. One of their videos got 32 million views, and their other videos are going viral too. And this isn't just one page. Look at this other TikTok page. They gained 166K followers, and their videos are blowing up as well. So in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can make these types of... Here's a video I made in less than 5 minutes.
The fields are dying. We must work harder. It's no use. We're losing everything. Look, what is that? Water! It's a miracle!
Let's get started. Head over to ChatGPT. On the left sidebar, click on Apps. Then on the right side above, you'll see GPTs. Click on it. Then search for Mini Rescues Generator and click on the top chat. Click Start Chats. Then click Start Generator. This GPT will generate both an image prompt and a video prompt at the same time. Once it generates, copy the image prompt and head over to OpenArt. You can find the link in the description. On the left sidebar, click on Image and select Nano Banana 2 for image generation. Paste your image prompt, set the output to 916 at 1K resolution, and hit Generate. This is how the image gets created, and it looks perfect, by the way. After the image is created, download it and head back to ChatGPT. Copy the video prompt, then go back to OpenArt. Click Video on the left sidebar. Select the Veo 3.1 model, upload your image, and paste your video prompt. Set the output to 916. Select your video duration and hit Generate. Here are the other videos I made.
We did it! Yeah! The fire is out!
That's the full workflow. All the links you need are in the description. Make sure you subscribe so you never miss out.